Now question is a raindrop of radius, so r is equal to 2 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter falls from a height of 500 meter, so s is equal to 500 above the ground. It falls with a decreasing acceleration due to viscous resistance of the air until at half its original height it attains its maximum speed and moves with uniform speed thereafter. What is the work done by gravitational force on the drop of the first and second half of its journey? What is the work done by the resistive force in the entire journey if its speed on reaching the ground is 10 meter second inverse? Okay, so first of all, we know that it falls with decreasing acceleration until at half its original height, right? So see, it attains maximum speed and moves with uniform speed thereafter. So what is the work done by the gravitational force on the drop in the first and second half of its journey? So gravitational work done, F into S, right? Now force, because of potential energy we have that force which is gravitational force mgs, right? So mass is that we need to find, right? So first of all, to find mass we have formula density is equal to mass upon volume. So mass subject, so mass is equal to density into volume, right? Now it is raindrop, so 10 raised to 3 into v, v is volume, so 4 by 3 pi into r is 2 into 10 raised to minus 3 square, right? So that is mass. So now work done is 10 raised to 3 into 4 by 3 pi 2 into 10 raised to minus 3, so pi r cube, here cube, right? So this is mass into g is 10 and s 500. So this is from the maximum height. This is for work done from the maximum height, right? Now if we want to find from the half the height, so we need to do just w dash is equal to w by 2, simple, right? So w dash is equal to w by 2, we will get potential energy at the half of the height, and then we can also find kinetic energy. So kinetic energy is equal to half mv square, again half into m is this term, this one, right? So 10 raised to 3 into 4 by 3 pi into 2 into 10 raised to minus 3 cube into v, it is given 100, right? 10 square is 100. So this is how we will get kinetic energy in joule. Here also they have asked about work done by resistive force. Now what is the work done by resistive force? We got work done by gravitational force and minus work done by that particular gravitational force and Wt, right? So one is kinetic energy work done and another is the potential energy work done. So difference between these two work done, we will get resistive force work done.